ほな行くで。
Good morning, good evening, and good night, everyone. And in today's episode, we will be taking on Blue from Magical Destroyers. So, Blue is an interesting character. When I first watched the series, I didn't really like her, and now I still don't. But, anyways, it was a hell of a good project to take on. She has a much bigger complexity than Pink, and her outfit is just gorgeous, top tier. Anyways, I ain't got much to talk today, especially because I'm recording all of the audios one after the other, so yeah, I don't know. I ain't got much to talk. Hope everyone is having a great day, and that's about it, eh? I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow, I guess. Take care, everyone!